Subscribe Go One Update social media channel and press bell icon for latest notification.
Yes, done. Mayor, your is going to be demolished now. So what do you want to say, and how much time it will take for this?
Yeah, so as everyone knows, it's a long pending issue.
Okay.
A lot of people, it took us quite a while to get it done. We had to get a lot of procedure was there to be done. We had to get a stability reports and everything. So now it's finally ready to come down. We've appointed a contractor from the corporation side. What we've told him is now not to cause any inconvenience to the school. Basically, we want all the work to get done by Sunday. Because all the students have their syllabus and everything that they need to catch up and everything. So we're trying to get that as rushed as possible. We just want to thank everyone for their patience also. But it's finally coming down. Thank you for everything.
What about traffic, sir?
See, as of that, people tell me.
Yeah, Chetan, tell me about the traffic. How you going to divert it?
Basically, we have planned to divert the traffic from the traffic which is intending to proceed towards Donapal. We were diverting from Toka.
Yeah.
And similarly, traffic coming from Donapal towards Miramar, we will be diverting it at Science Center to other circle, and then they can proceed wherever they want.
How many days it will take?
We were hoping by Sunday everything will be done.
Okay.
Latest by Monday.
Okay, latest by Monday.
Latest by Monday.
So it will take 2 days time to clear
It will
off.
take 2 days time.
Okay.
Yeah, that is
डेमोलिशन
extremely
खर्च
quick.
सगळं तुम्ही करता सीसीबी
Yeah.
डेमोलिशन सगळं एक्सपेंडिचर म्हणटा
We will be here.
What is will be the cost of this?
See, we've issued a tender for around 10 lakhs. Those
10.
details I will give you. That
Okay,
is the
okay.
thing. So when the scrap is thing, he'll take it onto the truck and we'll need to collect it and put it somewhere.
Okay.
सो फाल्यां स्कूल आसा न्ही स्कुलाच्या
No, already.
Okay. There is a principal of Sharda
Hello, good
Mandir.
evening. I'm
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
principal of Sharda Mandir School, Sharmila Umesh. We've been talking to Rohit since quite a few days, as well as the traffic guys. And this is a project that we've all been waiting to happen. It's been a problem for us. It's been a white elephant over here and a big risk for our students. None of our students use this because it's too steep and there's a chance of them falling. So we've never allowed our students to go up, and because of traffic, etc., it's always been a white elephant over here. So when Rohit came and said we want to demolish it, we said we are very happy. We don't mind giving a holiday to our students so that the work gets over fast. Now they have promised us that they're going to start the work today and that they'll try their best to finish it by Sunday evening. We've already given a holiday to the entire staff tomorrow so that there is no traffic issue tomorrow. Sunday evening, we'll take a call again, like Rohit has said. Rohit has been our student in Sharda Mandir, so he is for the students.
Yeah.
He wants to give them a holiday on Monday also. But I'm from the teacher's side saying, let's see whether we can finish it by Sunday. Worst comes to worst, we'll take a decision on Monday whether we have school or not.
one more issue is there always we are facing the parking problem over here
Correct.
during the school
Correct.
1 o'clock. So any action taken by from
We have already been discussing even on this issue along with the traffic people, and we have got a plan. Our students are going to be a part of this.
Yeah.
We've
Especially the
decided to
parents.
make use of our students more than even the parents, because the problem is with many of the parents, let's be honest.
bringing
Yes.
vehicles.
So our students are going to be the policemen those days. We've already got a plan. The children are coming up with a very good presentation, and we are going to start
When it
with
will be
that.
implemented?
Within the next week or so, they are going to give us the
The
presentation.
students are presenting on the
Yes,
9th.
yes.
So if you all could come and show the students some support also, it would be very nice.
Definitely,
So
yes.
they are presenting it to us. So now the traffic police, we know, also have a lot of issues. There are a lot of parents who have a lot of ego who yell at the police. There are people within our government who do the same thing also.
Okay.
So we want the students to get involved because people tend not to say anything to children also. And they should know that, they can have an impact on the city itself.
Okay.
So if you guys could come and show support to them, it would be
Yeah.
very
So
nice.
one more thing. Whose idea was this waste of money of government waste?
This is
Government
the
money
private
waste.
party had done, government invested.
Yeah, but CCP funded no for this. CCP.
No, I was like 12 years old when it was done.
Okay.
Like 18 or something.
Okay. 2012.
how old is it?
So for student, anything is there for new idea for subway for this over here?
Not as
think
of
it's
yet, no.
required.
I don't think, yeah.
It's required.
Okay.
If we have
Because there's
the-
not enough length also to do a subway.
Okay.
it's
Okay.
not required.
See, as of now, they can just cross the road, no? It's like 4
Okay.
Not that much. The traffic cops are doing a good enough job regulating traffic. They are safe hands.
Okay.
There's no reason for any
So
penalty.
basically, this project was a failed and
It was
waste
done
of
to a
money.
Yeah, it was a private party that had done it anyway. No? They wasted their money.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Yep.
Subscribe Go One Update social media channel and press bell icon for latest notification.